I really can't get enough of these strawberry shortcakes. They're a little cakey, a little biscuity, and absolutely delicious. Then there's those strawberries and our fresh strawberry syrup. This is a good one. The shortcakes start with the usuals: flour, baking powder for lift, sugar, and salt. Then we rub cold butter into it. Add beaten eggs and milk and bring it all together. It's thick and sticky. Now to bake them, you can use these little rings for perfect circles or just drop the batter right onto the baking sheet. Without the rings, the shortcakes will look a little bit rougher around the edges, which honestly is fine and arguably better. Here's a look at the difference between them. While they bake, we'll prep the strawberries. I have 2 pounds and I'm using a third of them to make a fresh strawberry syrup with some sugar. We aren't cooking these down that much, just until the sugar dissolves. When it does, stir in the rest of the strawberries. We want this to cool down quickly, so I have a cold bowl and I pop it into the freezer while I whip some cream and the shortcakes cool down a bit. Whipped cream is a must for this, so pour heavy cream into a mixer, add some sugar and a dash of vanilla, and then whip until it's thick and swoopy. When assembling, get some of that syrup onto the bottom of each shortcake. Then pile on fresh whipped cream, the shortcake top, and more cream and strawberries. I definitely feel like this is a more is more situation. I mean, look at that. These are so good. See you next time.